Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussions is pointers. So I have already discussed different type of functions, and now you have to know call by value, call by reference. Okay, call by value, call by reference. We have also learned that variables are stored somewhere in memory. So instead of passing the value of a variable, can we not pass the location number of the variable to a function? If we were able to do so, it would become call by reference. Okay, what purpose of a call by reference serves, we would find out a little later. First, we must equip ourselves with knowledge of how to make a call by reference. These features of C functions needs at least an element's knowledge of concept called pointers. So let us first acquire the basics of pointers, after which we would take up this topic once again. Which feature of C do beginners find most difficult to understand? The answer is easy: pointers. Others language have pointers, but few use them so frequently as C does. And why not? It is C is clever use of pointers that makes it the excellent language it is. The difficulty beginners have with pointers has much to do with C's pointer terminology than the actual concept. For instance, when a C programmer says that a certain variable is a pointer, what does that mean? It is hard to see how a variable can point to something or in certain direction. It is hard to get a grip on pointers just by listening to two programmers jargon. In our discussion of C pointers, therefore, we will try to avoid this difficulty by explaining pointers in terms of programming concepts. We already understand the first thing we want to do is explain the rationale of C's pointer notations. Pointer notations. Consider the declarations int I equals to 3. This declaration tells the C compiler to reserve space in memory to hold the integer value. Associate the name I with the memory location. Store the value 3 at the locations. So friends, I equals to 3. So I means I equals to location time. C tends to value of location, and what is my value of location is 199,452,4,620. Okay, 199,452,4,620. This is my location number. You will check, you will get it in my practical programming. I have already I got this output in my channel. You will get it in output. So this is my location number 199,452,4,620. So friends, I have written already already this program, okay, you will get the output location number 199452620 in my output. Okay, output is address of A, address address of I equals to 19945244620. Okay, 19945244620. So this is the address of I, and value of I equals to 3. Okay, value of I equals to 3. This is my output. You will get very easily. You will check in my program. So this is the declaration tells C compilers. We see that the computer has selected memory location 19945246200 as the place to store the value 3, and the location number is not number to be relied upon, because some other time the computer may choose different location for storing the value 3. So friends, I hope you can understand my theory. Now next I start practical. Please continue watching. To show my pointer videos, okay, pointer videos example, and you should see that this is my program. I run just program, and I will already discussed my theories, and now I have to check it in computer practical. So I just run the program. So you get this value address of I equals to, this is the value 19945244620, value of I equals to 3. So friends, we see that computer has selected memory location that is 19945244620 as the place to store the value 3. The location number 199452620 is not a number to be relied upon because some other time the computer may choose a different location for storing the value 3. The important point is I's address in memory is a number. We can print this address number through the following program. You will check this following program. Okay, address of this, and look at the first printf statement carefully, and at the race used in this statement in C, address of operator. Address of operator, the expression and I returns the address of the variable I, which in the case happens to be 19945244620. Since this number, you see, this number represent in address, there is no question of a sign being associated with it. Hence it is printed out using percentile u, and which is format specifier for printing an unsigned integer. We have been using the address operator all the time in the scanf statement. The other pointers operator available in C is star, called value at address operator. It gives the value stored a particular address. The value of address operator is also called indirection operator. Observe carefully the output of the following operations. Hash include stdio.h void main int I equal to 3 printf address u address I and value of percentile d I. Printf, I will write again. This is my another example. Printf okay. Okay, printf value of I equals to percentile d at the rate I. So friends, whatever I get again I will compile. So check, this is my another address of I. So what you get, the expression at the rate I gives the address, gives the gives the address of the variable I. This address can be collected in variable by saying at the rate I, j equals to at the rate I. So, but remember that j is not ordinary variable like any others. Okay, friends, I hope I can clear this the example, pointers example. It is I am going to discuss another example. I will not discuss. So I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching my video.